Uttar Pradesh government primary, upper primary schools to reopen from July 1, only for principal, teachers and not for students. Uttarakhand government issues order on fee. Private school can charge for online classes during epidemic. Fresh show cause notices issued to 79 Chandigarh's private schools. CBSE to inform Supreme Court on remaining exams on Thursday. School closure has affected 27 crore kids in India, UNICEF. 64% of parents favor online classes, survey. 35,000 teachers in private schools lose jobs. Good evening and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Janvi reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: all 1.58 lakh government primary and upper primary schools will reopen from July 1 for principals and teachers only. Students, however, will continue to stay at home for safety reasons in the wake of pandemic COVID-19, an official said. R. Meenakshi Sundaram, Secretary School Education Department, issued an order on Monday evening on fee that can be charged by private schools after evaluating all the parties, parents and school owners. The fee regulatory body of Chandigarh has issued fresh show cause notices to all 79 private schools of the city. Direct Education Officer Alka Mehta said on Tuesday, the schools have been asked to send complaints reports before July 4 regarding uploading of balance sheet online, along with the undertaking that they charged only a tuition fee for the last academic year. CBSE is likely to look for an alternative mode of assessment for students. If a student is not happy with their marks, they will be given a second chance to appear for exams later. The final decision is now deferred till Thursday. A UNICEF report on the impact of COVID-19 on the lives of 600 million children in South Asia said, despite measures to use technology for education, a large number of children were likely to miss out the distant learning opportunities, as only a quarter of households was estimated to have access to the internet. Normal school routine has remained disrupted due to the pandemic and is unlikely to resume anytime soon. But parents remain divided on the issue of online classes. According to a survey conducted across 204 districts, 64% of parents are in favor of online classes in schools, as against 31% wanting a ban on them. More than 35,000 private school teachers across the state Bengaluru have reportedly lost their jobs. Reason: parents' inability to pay fees due to the financial crisis triggered by COVID-19. No new admissions and surge in digital educational platforms. Let's wrap up for the news today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.theann.com. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Janvi.